Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Khalid and welcome to my YouTube channel Physic-so-Mathematica Techno-Computa. In this video I'm going to show you how we can remove this weather forecasting option, and those who are watching this video in order to bring back this weather forecasting option, so don't worry, that also will be showing you. And those who are finding that this weather forecasting option is consuming more space on taskbar, so if they want to reduce the size of this weather forecasting, so even they can watch this video. So let me begin. Since now this weather forecasting is consuming this much space, so if you want to reduce it to the icon size, what you can do is you just right click on it and you will find your news and interest option. So you just click on show icon only. If you click on it, you will find that the weather forecasting option, which was consuming more space earlier, has been reduced to an icon size. So now also if you just click on it, you can find your weathers, what is the degree and all. So now those who want to remove this option, so what they can do is you just go there and right click on it and then go to news and interest and then click on turn off. So if you turn off, so weather forecasting option will be moved away from the taskbar. So those who want to bring back this weather forecasting option, what they can do is you just go to the taskbar and find some empty space and then right click on it and again go to news and interest and you will find your show icon and test. So in this way you can bring back the weather forecasting option. Thank you for watching.